Cheers! Good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Chantal and today you're going to be getting ready with me. Quite literally. I'm in my robe and drinking my coffee. So today I kind of just winged this look. This is the look that we created. It's kind of like a really fun smoky eye. I put some white liner on the bottom to give my eyes a little bit of a pop. And yeah. So stay tuned so you guys can see how we got this look. Good morning. I hope you guys have your coffee and a little snack because today might be a little bit of a long video. We're going to be full on getting ready with me and I'm going to do every step with you guys, which I normally do in my videos, but I'm going to show you each and every step and try to explain what I'm doing. So far I've moisturized my face and I went in with my, Core Organics Naughty Radiant Eye Oil just to help wake up my eyes because it's an early one this morning, you guys. Today we're going to be using this bad boy right here and I'm not really sure what look I'm creating with it, but I know I want to use it. For our primer today I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. This is my first time using this product. I did test it out a little bit. But I got this in my Sephora favorites box and this was in the selfie kit along with my Becca highlighter and some other really awesome things. So I'm just gonna rub this all over my face. It smells really good. I'm going to just kind of rub that in using my fingers. What's really awesome about this is that it blurs all the lines on your face and minimizes the look of your pores. Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. I like to prime my under eyes because they tend to be a little bit dry. And my concealer loves to crease on me throughout the day, so prep those bad boys. I love the feeling of that blur stick. My face is literally so fucking soft. And it feels really light. Doesn't feel like you're putting a ton of product on your face. I was like, maybe I should go on with a second layer, but I probably didn't need to. As always, my foundation we're gonna use today is the Fit Me Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade Classic Ivory. And I love this foundation. As soon as I find another one that I really like, I'll switch. I'm not super loyal to my foundations, but I found this one, I love it, and my shade hasn't changed, so in fact I'm probably getting whiter. I need to fix that. I'm gonna blend this all over the face. Because I'm so blind, I am going to have to use a little compact mirror for my eyebrows, but I am using the NYX eyebrow powder and I'm going to fill in my brows. So now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. concealer and I'm going to outline my brows using an angled brush. It's super important for me because it makes my brows defined because I don't do my brows the conventional way. And then using a flat top concealer brush, we are going to blend this all in. And before we go in with any eyeshadow, we need to prime our eyelids. I'm going to be using the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. And I really like this primer because it's really easy to blend. You have to blend it pretty quickly because once it dries, it's really tacky. So for my transition color today, I'm going to be using this color right here called Motivate, and it's kind of like a matte gray color. Now I'm going to go into my crease with this color called Smart as Fuck, and it's kind of a really cool color. It's like an iridescent blue to brown, or like teal to brown. And I'm going to be using my crease brush. I'm just going to blend this right into the crease and up into this transition color. Now I'm going to take this color here called Extra, and I'm going to press that into my inner and outer lid. And this is kind of like an iridescent, like green to beige color, kind of. Really pretty. I'm going to take the same brush that I just used, and I'm going to pick up some of this color Swag. I'm going to press that right into the middle of my lid. I'm going to really cake that on to make this pop. I'm going to pull it up into the crease, just right in the middle. So before we go in with any concealer, we're going to want to smooth out those under eyes because they weren't set before, and we put a little bit of foundation there. So I'm using today the Kylie Jenner concealer in the shade Shell. And with my damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend that all in. Now we're just going to create a line with the e.l.f. concealer. And to set that, we're going to use the Sephora translucent setting powder. We don't want that concealer to be creased at all. So blend it back in. And set it right away. And for my powdered foundation today, I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals, and this is in the shade Fair. So for my contour today, I'm going to be using the Bella Pierre Cosmetics contouring palette, and this is a really cool palette because it has 3 light shades that you can choose from. I really like kind of like this banana color called Limoncello, and then 3 contouring colors. I'm going to be using this color here called Espresso for my contour. So I'm going to be blending these two colors together to make for my bronzer, and this color is called Brulee, and this color is called Truffle. For my blush, I'm going to be using the Cocoa Rose blush out of my Sweet Dreams Too Faced palette. This blush for like smoky eye looks and like darker looks, just because it's a darker blush and it goes really, really well. This is not my blush brush. Fuck. My life. Okay, well I'm just going to have to do that on the other side too. Fuck that up. This is my highlight brush. So for my highlight today, I'm going to be using the 90210 highlighter from the Cocoa Collection by Kylie Cosmetics. And I love this highlighter because it's super poppin'. I'm going to use my shade and light brush and the light side of the brush for my highlight. Damn. And I just like to kind of go in like a moon shape right here. Fuck yes. That is so fucking poppin'. I'm going to take this color here, Limoncello, and I'm going to brighten up my under eyes. Should have done this before I put highlight on, but I forgot. So I kind of want to mix this color Adulting and this color Extra for my bottom lash line. We're going to try it out. You know when there's like something that you like know you probably shouldn't do, but you want to do it anyways? Well, that's what we're doing. That's pretty. Okay, okay. And now I'm going to take this color here, it's called Swag, which is the color that we put on our lid, and I'm just going to blend this into the inner eye right here and make this pop out a little bit. And I kind of feel like doing a wing today. Should I? Let's see, let's highlight the eyes, see if it's even necessary. 90210 for my Cocoa Collection. Put that in my inner eye here. Yeah, we're gonna do a wing today, for sure. So I'm gonna be using the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner by Tarte, and I'm gonna be using the felt tip side. I'm just going to connect this down to the bottom. Now I'm going to use the pencil side and go in on the waterline. Now I'm going to use a white eyeliner, and this is the NYX white mechanical eyeliner. I'm going to go in on the waterline on the inner eye. I love doing a white liner on the waterline because it really makes your eyes pop and opens your eyes up a little bit. For my mascara today, I'm going to be using the Volume Express Mega, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Express, and this is in like Black is Black or something. Gotta get the blackest mascara. And I'm going to be using lashes today, so I'm only going to put on a small layer. For my lashes today, I'm going to be using some wispy lashes. And I got these at like King Soopers, they were on sale, so it's like, why not? They were $2. So I got these really pretty samples by Dior, and I really want to try out this Jungle Matte color, which is in the picture, this color here. It's kind of like a nude color. I don't know if it's just because it's the sample, but it's like really sticky. I don't know if I like this lip. Alrighty, you guys, here is the finished look. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready with me today. I love just sitting down and kind of winging a look and creating something kind of like I do every single morning for work. So you guys really get to see and kind of see what I do every single morning. So yeah, I hope you guys like this look I created with the Violet Voss Like a Boss palette. And if you did, go ahead and push like and hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And as always, I hope you guys have an amazing week and weekend, and I will see you in my next video.